Hey guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to install ScriptHookV and ScriptHookV.net on your GT5. Okay, I think there are some methods, but you need to install a correct way, then it should work. Okay, first for that you need to search ScriptHookV. ScriptHookV. V. Then you can get this website. 2699 is the latest version. ScriptQueue has been updated in few months. Recently I updated. Okay, click on download. Then you will be redirected into another website. This is ScriptQueue's real website. This is owned by ScriptQueue. Okay, I'm latest little bit slow, guys. Don't worry. This is the dot. If you want, I'll give direct link or else I'll give this link. ScriptQueue has opened. You can see the latest version works after 2 or 3 or 4 months in break intervals. They will need to change ScriptQueue for that. We need downgrade, and next year I'll explain about the base. Click on download. Okay, it's downloading, and click on save. Next is ScriptQueue. It's under ScriptQueue.net. Okay guys, sorry my internet is a little bit slow because some power issues. ScriptHookV.net. ScriptHookV.net. This is community ScriptHookV.net. You can also see the direct link for this. I'll give both in the description. You can check there. Okay, click on download. You will be redirected into another website. GitHub.com. This is the website. Do you wanna check how to install mods in GTA5? Just comment down. I will post. If you face any errors, also no worry. In GTA5 or normal Windows. Okay, guys, enter the website. Now you can see here. This is zip file. Click on that. If you click the zip file, it will be downloaded. Click on download. It's downloaded. Open File Explorer and also open GTA5 main directory. I'm gonna open GTA5 main directory. Open that. Hi guys, now we need to upload these files here and then it will be attached here. Open ScriptHookV.net and drag these all files into your GTA5 main game directory. Click on if you first time they will not ask this. I already have uploaded. I want to not replace this. Okay guys, open ScriptHookV. You can see your bin open file. Now open Grand Theft Auto 5, the main game directory, and take these files. Just drag accept this file and drop it. It will ask to place. That's all. I have already filled this, so I'm gonna okay. Okay guys, you have successfully installed. Okay, and next video I have shown how to add graphics mods and mods, everything about GTA5, and install mods, graphics to improve your game looking good. Okay, thank you. You can